I want to talk about what we could be seeing from Bitcoin, and I want to give you guys my prediction for what we are going to see over the next few weeks. I was looking at Google today. I would look, searching Bitcoin news, click news, all the news stories, and everything seems to be overwhelmingly negative, or at very, very best, cautiously optimistic for Bitcoin right now. And I know the charts, everything's baked into the charts, right? But the fact is, we are seeing a blanket of negative coverage going on against Bitcoin right now. We're starting to see some things that make me think we could potentially be seeing a reversal of that. Could be great for Bitcoin, not so great for ETH in the short term. As you guys know, we are Ethereum maximalists on this channel. We do believe that eventually one day Ethereum will pass Bitcoin temporarily, maybe at the end of this cycle, and then maybe in the next cycle permanently. But what we're seeing is a reversal of volume, okay? When it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum trading, there were 18 days out of the last month where Ethereum's volume actually exceeded Bitcoin's volume in trading. Unheard of to see it that much. We saw the Bitcoin dominance breaking. We saw Ethereum dominance rising, but something happened yesterday that was very interesting. Is we saw the prices of Ethereum drop much harder than the prices of Bitcoin. Going all the way down to, I think, $2,200 yesterday, something like that. The point is this. In the short term, I'm actually starting to think I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than I am on Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum pumping is cyclical, right? We see these big moves up towards Bitcoin and then corrections. I think we could be seeing a correction soon for Ethereum against the value of Bitcoin. Now, does that mean we sell our Ethereum? No, I want to reiterate this. I'm going to tell you guys this every day. Do not sell your Bitcoin. Do not sell your Ethereum. Anything else you want to trade, anything else you want to sell, go ahead and do it. There is a war. I put out a tweet. It's going to surprise you guys. Put out a tweet on Twitter, of all places to put a tweet. You guys can follow me there at bitboy_crypto, where I said there are foxes in the henhouse. Do not sell your Bitcoin. Do not sell your Ethereum. And I believe this for 100% right now, guys. The reason why we're seeing an overwhelming crash of negative news to Bitcoin is because there are powers that be that are above much of our pay grades, way above my pay grade. Pay grade? Pay grade? It is Sunday. Pray grade. Am I right? Way above my pay grade that are trying to manipulate and control the prices of Bitcoin. Why? I'm going to tell you this a lot. They want you to sell. They want you to sell your Bitcoin, sell your quarter of a Bitcoin, sell your tenth of a Bitcoin. They want the compound effect of everyone selling their Bitcoin. Guys, I truly believe from the bottom of my heart, Bitcoin will have another rally this year. And I think we're starting to see maybe the tide turn here. Now, I don't think the Bitcoin is going to, shoot way up very soon. I do not think that. But I think we are heading towards an equilibrium spot where I believe that by the end of this month or by the middle of next month at the latest, we are going to start seeing things on a positive upswing. We had the El Salvador news. That is gigantic for Bitcoin. Absolutely gigantic. But it's gigantic for adoption. We traditionally do not see stories like this pump the price. That's why in the midst of all this crazy stuff, you got this huge El Salvador news accepting Bitcoin as legal tender, but it didn't move the markets. You gotta ask yourself why. That doesn't really lend to a lot of speculation. When PayPal announces they're getting into Bitcoin in October, that's huge speculation because they're going to be buying a bunch of Bitcoin. And look, El Salvador said they're putting together a $150 million Bitcoin fund. That's not really a huge significant amount compared to the billions and billions of billions the companies like PayPal and Grayscale buy. So to summarize this video, Bitcoin, I think, will be hitting a spot of equilibrium soon. Number two, Bitcoin will begin to outperform Ethereum in the short term. Number three, eventually Ethereum will be back up on the rise. But right now, I'm really watching Bitcoin, and I'm really watching the narratives, because right now it's certainly feeling like everything in this market is being manipulated. And I'm the only person here giving you guys the absolute truth. I mean, there's a few other people. I guess I'm not the only one. I'm one of the only people out there giving you the absolute truth about what is going on. And here is the undisputed truth. There's manipulation going on right under our noses, and they want you to sell. Do not sell your Bitcoin. Do not sell your Ethereum under any circumstance, no matter what you see over the next few weeks. It's not financial advice. That's life advice.